Hindi ba kayo nalito sa ECQ, MECQ, GCQ? Pero sigurado ako magugustuhan nyo ito, ang BBQ.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha.
So, ito yung BBQ para sa BB New, di ba? So, sisimulan natin sa pag-marinate. Yung gagawin natin ngayon, medyo kakaiba. It's simple, but not so simple. Kasi gagamit tayo ng ready-made BBQ sauce from Datu Puti. Pero, we're gonna add a little twist. So, we'll start off with half a cup. Meron akong baboy dito. Always, pag barbecue, may laman tayo. We're using pigue. No? Pigue is, eto, batok ng baboy kasi it has a nice marbled, meat. And also, may konti tayong pork belly. Kasi, paano naman yung barbecue pag walang taba? It's not perfect. So, to make it perfect, may laman at may taba. So, this is around half a kilo of pork which I cut into pieces already. So, ready cut na siya. And gagamit din ako ng half a cup of BBQ refix sauce. Yan. And I'm also going to add half a cup of cola, no? Ang ating favorite cola, kung anumang brand na gusto mo. Ito yung pang-marinate ko, paghalo ko lang siya. So the cola will also help tenderize the meat. And I just add a little bit of cracked black pepper. Always like to have black pepper in my food. Yan. We marinate this for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Mas masarap siya na overnight. At ngayon, tutuhog na natin yung ating pork. So, meron akong barbecue sticks dito na binabad ko sa water. No? Binabad ko sa tubig para hindi siya madaling masunog pag inihaw na natin yung ating barbecue. Remember that if you're using a grill, delikado, no? Because sometimes, lumiliyab yung apoy, then nasusunog, then nababali yung steak. So, it's better to wet it. But if you're using a grill pan, hindi masyadong, tricky. Yan. This side. And tutuhog natin. Again, you start off with the taba. Lagi yung taba na sa dulo. Yan. Yan. And tuhog-tuhog tayo. I always like to have meat with a little bit of fat kasi mas flavorful siya. And when you grill it, hindi siya nagiging masyadong dry. So look at that. So nice, then you just massage it and put it aside. So natuhog na natin yung ating pork barbecue and ininitin ko na yung aking grill. Just put it aside. So we're going to do two things now. Our excess marinade, we're going to make it into our Java sauce. So we'll just strain that. Yung matanggal yung mga bits and pieces of pork. Lalagyan ko din siya ng lalagyan siya ng additional na barbecue sauce. Lalagyan ko din siya ng peanut butter. Yan. Around 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Yan. And hot sauce. Around a tablespoon of hot sauce. So we just dissolve the peanut butter. So I'll just leave that for the moment. Yung gagawin ko muna ngayon ay yung aking basting sauce, which I will use again the barbecue sauce and a little bit of banana ketchup. So I'm using tamis-anghang banana ketchup combined and a little oil. So yung gamit ko dito is just a little bit of vegetable oil. So that's done. I'll just grease the pan para hindi dumikit yung aking barbecue. A little bit and I will start grilling. So kung meron kayong charcoal grill, mas maganda yung flavor. But here, I'll just use my grill pan. And our sauce is thickening on one side and our barbecue is cooked. So babaliktarin ko na siya. Our sauce is done, so I just turn off the heat and I have my barbecue, which is grilling away so beautifully. And now, I just have my basting sauce and just brush, no? So, we don't brush it while hilaw pa yung ating pork. Brush natin when it's almost cooked. And we turn it over one time to grill. So when we are grilling, remember, when you're brushing your food with basting liquid, be sure na hindi contaminated ng hilaw na pagkain yung inyong basting liquid. Kaya hindi ko ginamit yung marinade ko para dito. Ginamit ko, linuto ko dito as our dipping sauce. Pero yung pang-brush ko dito bago para sigurado ako na safe siya kainin. And our pork is done. And our barbecue is done. And para wala tayong sayang, what we do is kung meron tayong natitirang marinade on the pan, we just throw it into our, grill. Etong excess natin na basting liquid, lalagay din natin. We just cook it, make sure we cook it para wala tayong worry kung may hilaw or may contaminants. And we just add it into our dipping sauce. Yan. So we're just adding more flavor upon flavor upon flavor so that pag kinain natin, sobrang satisfying, sobrang sarap niya. Kahit ganito lang ka-simple ang ating recipe, surely you are going to have a great time with your family. Here's our Java sauce. And I made homemade atsara. Mas matagal, mas masarap. Kaya sobrang sarap na nitong atsara ko. And I just like to make it a bit fancy. A little bit of toasted sesame seeds. And we're done. Sobrang easy. Gamit lang natin yung ready-made barbecue sauce. Pina-level up natin to a higher level kasi gusto natin masarap ang BBQ para sa bibi mo. Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.